Book Snapshot, Chapter 7, Birth, written by A.J. Cronin. This story, Birth, is a story of Andrew Manson, a doctor who has newly stepped out of medical school, and the two important characters, Joe and his wife, Joe Morgan and his wife. Now, Joe Morgan and his wife, they have been married nearly 20 years, and they did not have any child. And now they were expecting their first child, and it was the delivery time of the child of Mr. and Mrs. Morgan. And so Morgan, he comes to Dr. Andrew Manson to take him to his house. And we will see how Andrew, he saved the life of both the child and the mother by his own skill and his own intelligence. In this excerpt from The Citadel, Andrew Manson, newly out of medical school, has just begun his medical practice as an assistant to Dr. Edward Page in the small Welsh mining town of Blenheim. Now, in this excerpt, this chapter is an excerpt taken from the novel Citadel, written by A.J. Cronin. Andrew Manson is newly out of medical school. He has begun his medical practice under the Dr. Edward Page, in the small Welsh mining town of Blenheim. Mining होती है mostly इस town में. And as he is returning from a disappointing evening with Christine, the girl he loves, he is met by Joe Morgan. And when he was returning at that night from a disappointing evening, very sad evening with his girlfriend Christine, he is met by Joe Morgan. Joe and his wife, who have been married nearly 20 years, are expecting their first child. And this was the time when they were expecting the child. Though it was nearly midnight when Andrew reached Bryncover, he found Joe Morgan waiting for him, walking up and down with short steps between the closed surgery and the entrance to the door. And it was nearly midnight when Andrew, he came to his house that was in Bryncover. He found Joe Morgan waiting for him over there, walking down and up with short steps between the closed surgery and the entrance to the house. At the sight of him, the burly driller's face expressed relief. And when he saw Andrew Manson, this burly driller, he was a miner there. This burly means big and strong driller. His face showed very relief. एकदम से उसका चेहरा जो है बड़ी खुशी दिखाता है. Doctor, I'm glad to see you. I've been back and forward here this last hour. The missus wants here before time too. So Mrs. Joe at once says, doctor, I'm glad to see you. I'm very happy to see you. I've been back and forward here this last hour. वो कहता है मैं 1 घंटे से यहाँ पर इधर उधर घूम रहा हूँ. The missus, that is his wife, wants him before time. Andrew abruptly recalled from the contemplation of his own affairs. As Andrew had a very bad time with his girlfriend Christine, he recalled himself from the contemplation. Contemplation means from the thinking of his own affairs, and he told Morgan to wait. He went into the house for his bag. Then together they set out for number 12 Blenheim Terrace. And then they both set out for his Joe Morgan's house. That was number 12 Blenheim Terrace. The night air was very cool and deep with quiet mystery. And the night air was very, very cool, very, very deep with quiet mystery. Usually so perceptive, Andrew now felt dull and listless. Usually Andrew was very perceptive. Perceptive means he could see and understand things very quickly. बहुत जल्दी से वो समझ आता था चीज़ों को. But at that moment, Andrew felt very, very dull and very, very listless. Listless means with less energy. He had no premonition that this night call would prove unusual. उसे थोड़ा सा भी premonition नहीं था. Premonition means feeling that something is going to happen. उसे थोड़ा सा भी ये premonition नहीं था, foregoing नहीं थी कि ये night जो है उसके लिए कितनी unusual होगी, कितनी अलग होगी. Still less that it would influence his whole future in Blenheim. And that also that this night, how this night would influence his whole future. उसका पूरा future जो है इस आज की रात पर depend हो जाएगा. Now the two men walked in silence until they reached the door of number 12. Then Joe drew up short. और दोनों आदमी चलते रहते हैं silence में जब तक वो उनके दरवाजे पे पहुंच जाते हैं. Joe remained out. I will not come in, he said. Joe कहता है मैं अंदर नहीं आऊँगा. And his voice showed signs of a strain. But उसकी आवाज़ में थोड़ा stress था, थोड़ी tension थी. But man, I know you will do well for us. और वो डॉक्टर को कहता है, but man, I know ये will do well for us. You means you will do good for us. Now, inside a narrow stair led up to a small bedroom. और वो एक नैरो स्टेयर केस है, उसके ऊपर वो बेडरूम में जाता है. इट वॉज वेरी क्लीन बट पोअरली फर्निश्ड. पोअरली फर्निश्ड मीन्स वेरी लिटिल थिंग्स वर देयर इनसाइड. इट वॉज लिड ओनली बाय एन ऑयल लैम्प, और वो बड़े एक ऑयल लैम्प से ही जल रहा था, वहाँ पर जल रहा हुआ था. Here Mrs. Morgan's mother, a tall grey-haired woman of nearly 70, and the stout elderly midwife waited beside the patient, watching Andrew's expression as he moved about the room. और यहाँ पर Mrs. Morgan's mother was there. She was a tall grey-haired woman of nearly 70, and there was one more lady there, a fat, stout means fat, elderly midwife. एक midwife थी, nurse जिसे दाई बोलते हैं. She waited beside the patient and watching Andrew's expression as he moved about the room. वो देखने लगी Andrew का expression. Let me make you a cup of tea, Dr. Bat, said the farmer quickly after a few moments. Now Mrs. Morgan, जब उसने देखा कि Andrew इधर उधर देख रहे हैं, she at once said that she could make a cup of tea for him. And Andrew smiled faintly. Andrew एकदम smile करने लगे. He saw that the old woman, wise in experience, realized that there must be period of waiting. एंड एकदम से उसने भाप लिया कि जो ओल्ड वुमन है कितनी वाइज हैं, शी इज़ एक्सपीरियंस्ड आफ्टर ऑल, और उन्हें पता है कि देर इज़ सम पीरियड ऑफ वेटिंग, कुछ टाइम लगेगा बर्थ में. एंड शी वॉज अफ्रेड दैट ही वुड लीव द केस, और उन्हें ये डर था कि डॉक्टर चला ना जाए. सेइंग ही वुड रिटर्न लेटर, ये कहकर कि वो बाद में आएंगे. डोंट फ्रेट मदर, आई विल नॉट रन अवे. तो डॉक्टर एकदम कहते हैं डोंट फ्रेट, डोंट बी वरीड, आई विल नॉट रन अवे, मैं कहीं नहीं जाऊँगा. डाउन इन द किचन ही ड्रैंक द टी विच शी गेव हिम. Overwrought as he was. Overwrought means he was very worried, upset because of the bad evening with his girlfriend. He knew he could not snatch even an hour's sleep if he went home. And he knew this, कि अगर वो घर भी चला जाता है, he would hardly have a hour's sleep. वो 1 घंटा भी नहीं सो पाएगा. He knew too that the case here would demand all his attention. और उसे ये भी पता था कि ये जो केस है, because she is already 20 years की मैरिज हो गई है, कितना डिमांडिंग होगा. A queer lethargy of spirit came upon him. और एकदम से लेथार्जी मीन्स स्टेट ऑफ हैविंग नो एनर्जी. क्वेयर मीन्स अ स्ट्रेंज स्टेट हो गई इस वक्त उसकी, बड़ा वो लिस्टलेस, अपने आप को एनर्जी लेस सा महसूस कर रहा था. ही डिसाइडेड टू रिमेन अंटिल एवरीथिंग वॉज ओवर. फिर उसने सोचा कि ओके ही विल नॉट गो होम अंटिल एवरीथिंग इज ओवर. एन आवर लेटर ही वेंट अपस्टेयर्स अगेन, नोटेड द प्रोग्रेस मेड, केम डाउन वंस मोर, सैट बाय द किचन फायर. 1 घंटे के बाद वो दोबारा ऊपर जाता है, एंड देन ही सॉ दैट देयर वाज स्टिल सम टाइम फॉर द बर्थ.